Hello everyone, welcome to our channel GSB Maths. Today we started mathematics part first of standard 10. So let's start for the chapter number 1, linear equation in two variables. Before starting this chapter, we see what is equation, a statement that supports the equality of two expressions which are connected by the equal sign. For example, 2x minus 5 equal to 3. Here 2x minus 5 and 3 is the expression and 2x, 5 and 3 are the terms in the equation. So let's see what is linear. Linear means equation whose degree is 1, it is a linear. In the example 2x plus 3y equal to 5, x and y have degree 1, so it is linear. Now what is variables? The unknown quantities are the variables. Here 2x plus 3y equal to 5, x and y are the variables which are unknown. Now what is linear equation in two variables? An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1. It's called a linear equation in two variables. So whatever the equation, it contains two variables like that x and y, and the degree of each term is 1. So it is called linear equation. So now let's see what is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form, and here a, b, c are real numbers. And a and b are not equal to 0 at same time. मीन्स व्हाट, ए एंड बी सेम टाइम में ज़ीरो नहीं हो सकते. क्यों? ए इक्वल टू ज़ीरो एंड बी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, देन जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन becomes 0x plus 0y plus c equal to 0. So a and b are not equal to 0 at same time. Now see the example. 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 is a general form of 3x is equal to 4y minus 12. Now in the textbook there is one activity given. Complete the following table. Here some equations are given and they ask to us, is the equation a linear equation in two variable? First is 4m plus 3n equal to 12. Here we have to identify is the linear equation in two variable or not. Here m and n has a degree 1, so it is a linear equation in two variable. तो हमने यहाँ पे यस लिखा है. Now second is 3x square minus 7y equal to 13. Here x square is given. Here this variable x has degree 2, that is x square, and y has degree 1. So this equation has degree 2. Therefore this is not a linear equation. This equation is of degree 2. Next example. Here root 2x minus root 5y equal to 16. In this example, this root 2 and root 5 is given, but they are coefficients, so it doesn't matter for us. Here x and y are variables and it has a degree 1, so it is linear, so we write here yes. Now in fourth example, 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Here 0x means what? this whole term is 0. So equation is only 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is not two variable equation. Hence we write here no, it is not a linear equation in two variable. Again in next example 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 equal to 0. So again here y is 0. So it is not two variable equation. Now in next example here 4 by x plus 5 by y equal to 4. Here variables are in denominator. See what 4 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 4. Now here variables at denominator, and when we write them to numerator its degree changes to -1. So 4x raised to -1 plus 5y raised to -1. Therefore this equation has a degree is -1 and we want degree 1. So this is not a linear equation. So we write here no. And in last example equation is of two variables, but here x y it has a degree 2. Since what x has a 1 and y has a 1, so it has a degree 2. So this equation is not a linear equation, so we write here no. So this is the activity given in the textbook we completed here, which is already studied in 9th class. Now we will see what is simultaneous linear equations. When we think about two linear equations in two variables, that is equation which has degree 1 and contains two variables, so it is a linear equation in two variable, and we have to think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time. They are called simultaneous equations. In 9th class we solve them. So let's see one example. Solve the following simultaneous equations. 5x minus 3y equal to 8 and 3x plus y equal to 2. These are two called simultaneous equations. Now what is the solution? We have to find the solution for this equation, and there are two methods to find solution of simultaneous equations. First method is elimination method. So let's start. Method first. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. This is a given equation 1. 3x plus y is equal to 2. Give this equation number 2. Now we use here elimination method. Here in these two equations minus 3y and y are given. So we multiply equation 2 with 3 for elimination of minus 3y and plus 3y. To find the value of x, so right here multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3, we get 3 into 3 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is equation number 3. Now write here equation number 1. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Now by adding this equation number 3 and equation number 1, we get the value of x. So 9x plus 5x equal to 14x, and 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. By calculation we get x equal to 1. Here I mention in the box x equal to 1. Now substitute x equal to 1 in equation 2 to we get value of y. So equation is 3x plus y is equal to 2, equation 2. Now put x equal to 1 in equation number 2, we get 3 of 3 of 1 plus y is equal to 2. So 3 plus y is equal to 2. It gives y is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1. It means we get the value of y also. So right here in order pair x comma y is equal to value of x is 1, value of y is equal to minus 1. So in order pair 1 comma minus 1 is the solution. Now we see the method number 2. First we write both the equations which are given. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. 1 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 2. When we have to given such types of equation where the one of the two variables is single, we write the equation for that single variable. So at first we write the value of y in terms of x from equation 2. So from equation 2, write the value of y in the form of x, y is equal to 2 minus 3x, and give number 3 to this equation. Now we substitute the value of y in equation 1 to get the value of x. So equation 1 is 5x minus 3y, and what is the value of y? Here from equation 3, 2 minus 3x equal to 8. So 5x minus 3 to the 6, minus minus gives us plus, and 3 3 is a 9x equal to 8. So we add the 5x and 9x due to similar variable, and we get 14x minus 6 is equal to 8, and by calculation we get the value of x is equal to 1. Now put this value in equation number 3, we get the value of y. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore we write here x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, or in order pair x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 1 is the solution for given equation. For more understanding, we will see the next one example. Solve the given equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, and the second equation is 5x minus y is equal to 18. For the solution, we have to write first the given equation. So what is the given equation? 3x plus 2y equal to 29 gives number 1, and 5x minus y is equal to 18. This is equation number 2. Now here plus 2y is given in equation 1 and minus y is given in equation number 2. So we multiply equation number 2 by 2, which will give here minus 2y, and by elimination method we cancel plus 2y and minus 2y by the adding these two equations. So right here multiply equation 2 by 2, we get 5 to the 10 minus 2y is equal to 18 to the 36. Give the number 3 to this equation. Now we add equation 1 and 3 to eliminate the y. So equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 29, and equation 3 is 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. By adding these, we get 13x and 2y minus y get cancelled is equal to 65. So x is equal to 65 divided by 13. We get the value of x is equal to 5. Now put this value in equation number 2. We get the value of y. So what is equation 2? 5x minus y equal to 18. So we write here 5x minus y is equal to 18. Now put x is equal to 5. We get 5 into 5 minus y is equal to 18. And by calculation we get y is equal to 7. Therefore we write here x equal to 5 and y is equal to 7 is the solution of the given equation. Or this solution in another method, in order pair x comma y is equal to 5 comma 7 is the solution. Now we will see the another method of example. Solve 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, and the second equation is 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Now first, to solve this, we write the equation as it is and gives number to the equation. 15x plus 17y equal to 21. This is equation number 1, and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11 gives number 2 to this equation. Now in this equation the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. That means the coefficient of x in first equation is 15. It gives to the coefficient of y in equation number 2, and the coefficient of y in equation number 1 it gives to coefficient of x in equation number 2. So while solving such types of equations, we get two simple equations by adding and subtracting the given two equations. And after solving these equations, we can find the solution. So let's add the given equations first. So right here adding equation 1 and 2. We get, add these equations, 15 plus 17 is 32x plus 17 plus 15 again 32y is equal to 21 plus 11 is 32. So here all the coefficients are equal. So we divide both the sides by 32 of the given equation. So right here dividing both sides of the equation by 32. So divide throughout by 32. So we get the equation x plus y is equal to 1 and give number 3 to this equation. Here we first add these two equations and now we subtract equation 2 from equation 1 to get another simple equation. So we write here subtract equation 2 from equation 1, rewrite these two equations and change the sign of second equation. Where is the plus sign, we change it with minus sign and we get minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So Again divide throughout by 2 to this subtraction. We get minus x plus 5 is equal to 5 gives number 4 to this equation. Now we get these two simple equations 3 and 4 to solve. First rewrite these equations 3 and 4. X plus y equal to 1 number 3 and minus x plus y is equal to 5 number 4. Now by adding these two equations x variable is eliminated, since in 3 there is a positive x and in equation 4 there is negative x, so it will get cancelled and we get the value of y from adding these two equations. So y is equal to 3 we get. Now put the value of y is equal to 3 in equation 3, so we get the value of x. So x plus y is equal to 1 is the equation 3. Now put y equal to 3. By solving we get x is equal to minus 2. So the solution is x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 3 for the given equation. When we have to given such a types of equation, we convert them first into simple equations and after that we solve them. So today we stop here and we will see the practice set in another lecture. So thank you for watching.